Hello everyone. So welcome again to Coders Daily, and in this particular video we are going to solve another very popular Hackerrank Python tutorial, a Python question, which is known as find a string, right? So I'll just start with reading the problem statement first, and then we'll code this problem, right? So this code would be a little longer, more than our average video because it has a long solution, right? So to start with, I'll just read the problem statement. So over here it is written that in this challenge, the user enters a string and a substring. You have to print the number of times that the substring occurs in the given string. String traversal will take place from left to right, not from right to left. That is very good. Okay. Now to get an idea, so this is the sample input, right? So over here you can see that there is an input which is given as A, B, C, D, C, D, and C, right? This is the string, right? But there is a substring also over here, which is C, D, and C, right? So the problem with this particular question is, because I know I have already solved it once, so I know it, that if you'll use the find function which is already available in Python, what it will give us, it will just give us the count of CDC in this particular string as 1, because it will just see the first occurrence and it will just keep it as a 1, while the count of CDC is 2 in this particular string. So if I again write it A, B, C, D, C, D, C. So one combination is this and the another combination is this. So for this we won't be able to use any kind of Python inbuilt function. We need to code a complete loop which will first divide this particular bigger string into smaller substrings, or it will split it, or you can say it will just what we can say is it will break this bigger string into smaller string, right? So let's just say if we have a substring of 3 length, we need to break this string into substrings of 3 lengths. So first string would be ABC, then the next one would be BCD, then next would be CDC, then DCD, then CDC again, right? So by this, after that we'll compare it with this particular substring, it will give us the count as 2. So that should be the logic which we need to build. So what I'll do is I'll just stop writing and now I'll start the coding part. Okay, so there is a function which is already given to us, right? We need to return the count of the substring, right? So what I'll do is, first of all, I'll just write the length of substring. So I'll just write a keyword sub L, and inside this I'll write len of sub underscore string. Okay, maybe what we can do is we can maximize it if it is possible, right? We can maximize it from here, right? So I have just calculated the length of substring. Now what I need to do is I need to find the length of string. So I'll write str length equals to len string. Now I will write a loop for I in range, right, which will start from 0 but it will go till strl, right, because I need to get one by one each element inside the bigger string. And after that what I'll do is, if I'll just compare it, right, if string, and I'll slice it, string of I colon I plus 3 equals to str underscore L, then I'll increase the count 2 plus 1, right? I have not defined the count variable, so I'll do it above. All right. And instead of strl, it will be substring. Okay. Sub underscore string. All right. instead of 3, what I can do is I can just write sub underscore L, because it is not mentioned in the code that always the substring would be of length 3, right? And what I can do over here is also that I need to just traverse the loop till -3, right? Because we are already doing plus of sub L, right? So we can over here do minus of sub L, right? So that our loop does not get into end, right? We don't want to get into the end. And at the end, what I'll do is I'll just return the count. Fine. So our code is ready. I'll just try to run it and see if there is any error coming. Right. So the error is coming. Your output is 1 while the expected output is 2. Right. Because maybe we are not running it properly. So what I'll do is +1 minus sub L. Okay. Let's try it now. Right. It works. I'll try to submit it. Maybe there could be some test cases which will fall. No, nothing is falling. Everything is running fine. So this was our solution for the HackerRank problem known as find a string. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe the channel.